Next, our concept is sensor technology. Let us see what is a sensor technology. It is a technology used for designing sensors and associated electronic readers, circuits, and devices. So, by using sensor technology, we can design the sensors and associated electronic readers, circuits, and devices. A sensor can sense a change in physical parameters. So sensor can sense a change in physical parameters such as temperature, pressure, light, metal, smoke, and proximity to an object. So it is completely based on object. It senses a changes in these parameters by using a device or a technology. Sensors can also sense acceleration, orientation, location, vibration, or smell organic vapors or gases. So this technology can also sense certain accelerations, orientations, locations, vibrations or smell, organic vapors or gases. A microphone sends the voice and changes in the sound and is used to record voice or music. So by using a microphone sense technology, the voice and the changes in the sound and is used to record voice or music. So based on this technology, it is used for record the voice or music. A sensor converts physical energy like heat, sound, strain, pressure, vibration, and motion into electrical energy. So sensor also converts physical energy like, just observe the physical energy, heat, sound, strain, pressure, vibration, and motion into electronical energy. All these physical energy will be converted into electronical energy by using these sensing devices. An electronic circuit connect to a input at a sensor. So if you are using the sensor technology, we are using the device. That device is an electronic circuit. That is, electronic circuit is connected to a input at a sensor. The circuit receives the output of the sensor. Also, this circuit receives the output of the sensor. The output is according to the variation in physical condition. So this sensor device is generating the output according to the variation in physical conditions. A smart sensor includes the electronic circuit within itself and includes computing and communication capabilities. So if you are using the smart sensor, it possesses of electronic circuit within itself, and also it possesses some calculating. Computing means calculating and communication capabilities. After the calculation, it communicates through via internet channel. The circuit receives energy in the form of variation through currents, voltages, phase angles, or frequency. So this sensor technology is using electronic circuits. These circuit receives a certain energy in the form of variation through currents, voltage, phase angles, or frequencies. So the energy which is received these technology based on the currents, either voltage or phase angles or the frequencies. Analog sensors measures the variation in parameters with respect to a reference or normal condition. So here the types of sensors are exist. We will see in the short period. In the coming fourth slides, we will see the types of sensors. That is a very important question. Let us see here the analog sensors. By using these analog sensors, it measures the variation in parameters with respect to a reference or a normal condition and provide the value of sensed parameter after appropriate calculation. Also, it provides a certain appropriate calculation parameters after the value sensed. The change of state with respect to a reference or normal condition senses the state in the form of zeros and ones in digital sensor. So we are using one more sensor, that is a digital sensor. In the digital sensor, a reference or normal condition senses the status in the form of zeros and ones, the change of state in respect to the references.